Let's talk shelf talkers. We manufacture a lot of them, specifically metal ones that provide a high-end look and quality, which makes them longer lasting, environmentally friendly, and easily recyclable. What is a shelf talker? It's a graphic frame that sits on the edge of a shelf. Our standard design is black with a 4-inch return and includes side load and top load options. Side load is constructed very thin for paper graphics and has a channel on the top and bottom. Top load has a frame on all 4 sides and a large graphic channel to accept thicker paper graphics or to store multiple graphics with various messaging. Some custom options include color, longer return, backer, magnetic and frameless, single piece and angled, extra wide, and more. If you like our shelf talkers but want a tabletop option, definitely check out our countertop sign back. Shelf talkers can also be built into assemblies as you see in this liquor tasting station. If you have a vision for your shelf talker, send us a sketch or visit our website for additional info.